Ni ang hagit, tulong ka buok, may nang daghan kay para malingaw ta. Okay? So ang una, reflect on your personal response towards being configured to Christ. Actually, kanang listening to Him and becoming and being sheep of the shepherd is actually to be configured to Him. That is the purpose of Him coming into the world, to be like Him. No? So mayroon galit ang configuration. Okay? Sa computer pa na, diba, na ay panahon nga ang computer ma-disconfigure, so imo na po na para mabalik, i-reformat. So we are always talking about reform. Okay? Reform. Reformation, yeah. Pwede na mo about. But it's actually about formation, configuration. Now, second question, am I listening well in the many ways the shepherd is touching and calling me? Okay? And I think this is one interesting dimension na na-apply na to sa atong pag-ampo. No? Diha sa atong pag-ampo, na ba tayo luna gibutang sa pagpamati? Kaya basid na singari na tagyawit, na singari na basa sa ato ang mga nobina niya, wala na tayo panahon sa pagpamati. Okay? Sometimes we let the silence speak into our heart. Ya kana ra bang dili ta wala ta kayo naanan sa kahilom. Banha ayo sa atong tinahilanon. But just be aware of this and be able to go with the flow. Listen to where the voice of the shepherd is leading you. Okay? It leads you to a deeper sense of prayer. Na dili lang vocal o wordy prayer. Prayer in silence, which we actually need. Ilabi na karong panahon ng porting, banhaan. And sometimes even we say, your silence is too noisy for me. Kabantay mo, anak, wala na anad ba? Kabalo ka nga, imong amiga, suot kay mo, kapimahan dyan kay tanan. Nga mo kalitrag kahilom ba, may mga, you know your silence is so disturbing. Sometimes we have to engage in this. And finally, muna ni siya ang Catholic or Christian. How do I embrace others in the manner I am capable of? I am capable of. You are not limited to one particular way, but in the manner that you are able to discharge or to give, to manifest what the Good Shepherd wants us. Okay? To extend, to become extensions of His love to others. After all, before He died, He extended His arms on the cross to open and to welcome everyone. And that's okay? So, klaro na yun tayo matapos na kay ang kilom ni Padre Dondon, ning mubok ng maayo.